morning children, welcome back to offline class. Today we are going to discuss new poem, that is how the little kite learned to fly. How the little kite learned to fly. In this poem, the little kite tries to fly high in the air. This poem was written by Catherine Pyle. This poem was written by Catherine Pyle. The poet of this poem is Catherine Pyle. See, in this lesson, we are going to discuss this how the little kite learned to fly. Warm up. Are there some things that you are scared of? Work in pairs and make a list of 3 such things. Then read out your list in the class. See, are there some things that you are scared of? There are many things are there. We afraid of those things. Which things you feel afraid? At least 3 write down and send through WhatsApp. See, that you scared of, that you afraid of those things. Which things you feel afraid, scared. You write down 3 things and send through WhatsApp. Work in pairs and make a list of, that is after coming to school, we will discuss these all. Read this poem about the story of a little kite. We will going to discuss kite, that is small kite, little kite. This little kite tries to fly high, but the little kite is scared to fly high, and it takes an example of other kites. So it is learning from the kites, and it is also learned how to fly high. I never can do it, the little kite said. The little kite said, small kite. In this poem, last down one kite is there, small kite in yellow color. In yellow color, one kite is there, that is small kite. In this small kite is there down under all kites. It gets scared of, afraid of going high. I never can do it. I cannot fly high. I cannot fly in the air. This thing got scared me. That's why I could not go high in the air, the little kite said. As he looked at the other high over his head, on his head, so many kites are there in the air. They are above this kite, above or over of this kite. Very far, those all kites are flying in the air. Those all kites are flying in the air, but it tries to reach to that place, but it got scared. It was afraid of going high. As he looked at the others high over his head, it is not going high because it got scared of going high than remaining kites. I know I should fall if I tried to fly. This little kite thinks that if it fly high, if it goes high, it thinks that it may fall down. That's why it cannot go high. Try said the big kite, only try. If you try, you will reach the remaining kites. The thing is that you have to try. You should not get scared of going high. If you try, you will also reach that place where other kites are flying. That place you can also go. One thing that you have to try. I know I should fall if I try to fly. If I try to fly high, if I go high, I may fall. But try, said the little kite said. Little kite said that you have to try, then only you will reach that place. The simple trick is that you have to try. Only try. Or I fear you never will learn at all. See, if you won't try, I fear you never will learn at all. If you won't try, you never reach that place. You never go high. You never learn how to fly in the air like your friends. Or I fear you never will learn at all. If you won't try, you never learn how to fly in the air. But the little kite said, I am afraid I will fall. I am afraid that I may fall down if I try in the air. If I go high, I may fall down. That I scared of going high. I am afraid I will fall. The big kite nodded. No, it is nodded. Not like that. Well, goodbye. I am off. Okay, if you won't try, you will not go to that place. If you won't follow my advice, okay, bye, goodbye. I am off. I am going to that remaining kites where the kites are flying high. Okay, I am off. And he rose towards the tranquil sky. What is the meaning of the word tranquil? Tranquil meaning is quiet and calm. Where mostly in Ahmedabad, in Gujarat, in Sankranti, Pongal, most of the in Ahmedabad, almost all people participate in a kite festival in Pongal. Most of the people celebrate this kite festival in Pongal time in Gujarat state. Nowadays, almost all countries, almost all states are celebrating this kite festival. If you fly kite, your concentration on the kite, so your thinking capacity also will increase. Your mind will be fresh. That's why most of the people try to fly the kites. And kite games also they are conducting in Ahmedabad. Most of the in so many countries also following the same tradition after Ahmedabad first started in India. See, tranquil means quiet, calm and peaceful sky. If it is going towards, which kite is going towards high, which kite is going, the big kite is going. The big kite advised the small kite, if you try, you can also go high. But the little kite said, I am afraid, I am scared of going high. Then the big kite said, if you won't try, okay, goodbye, I am off, I am going high. And you fly in the low under the remaining kites. I am off, and he rose towards the tranquil sky. Tranquil means peace and calm sky. Then the little kite's paper stirred at the side. Stirred means here moved slightly in order to do something. Then the little kite's paper stirred at the side. The little kite moved slightly in order to do something. It is also trying to go high. That's why it is moving forward, moving upward direction. It tries to go up. And trembling, he shook himself free for flight. See, trembling means here shaking. Here, due to the little kite's fear, because the little kite scared and afraid, fear. That's why it was shaking to go upward direction, to go high. It is trembling. It is shaking. If the person who is learning the bicycle, nowadays supports are there. Three wheels are there. Two wheels are supporting. So they are without help they are learning the bicycle. Before there were no two wheels. Somebody helped him, father or his friend helped him to learn the cycle. When he leaves the hands, the person who is riding the bicycle, he got scared and he might fell down. There is one thing that the person who got injured, he will be learn how to ride the bicycle. Once that boy should fall down and he should get up, then only he can learn the bicycle. Before everyone, including myself, once I fell down. After that, I got learning bicycle. My friends, those all nowadays supports are there. If your father leaves the catching the cycle, suddenly you got scared, you got afraid. See, here also when the big kite move upward direction, the small kite got scared and it was afraid. He shook himself free for flight, firstly willing and frightened, then braver grown. See, willing means, see here, moving round and round. It is making circles in the air. It is making circles in the air. Up he rose through the air. Alone. He himself, the small kite himself, is going up little bit and little bit. It moves high and it is going towards the where all kites are flying in the air, up very far. Alone, till the big kite looked down, could see the little one rising steadily. The little kite, the big kite is above the small kite. Then the big kite is seeing towards the small kite. The small kite is trying to going towards the big kite. It is going up. It is going inch by inch. It is going upward direction steadily, slowly. It is going. Then how the little kite thrilled with pride. They see the little kite the little kite is feeling thrilled because it is also going high and higher and higher. The person who is learning bicycle without anyone's help, the person how the person feels. At the same time, this little kite also feeling happy when it goes up and up. As he sailed with the big kite side by side, side by side. See, the small kite reached the big kite. The big kite already went up, went high, and the small kite also going where the big kite was flying in the air. Both are in same position. See, both are going. Now they are in side by side. The little kite reached the big kite. Little kite reached the big kite. They are flying in the air happily with pride as he sailed with the big kite side by side. Both are in side by side. How does it possible? If you try, you can also win. You can also get more marks. You can also get everything if you try hard. If you scared of anything, if you afraid, you cannot succeed in your life. As he sailed with the big kite side by side, while far below he could see the ground. Now the small kite see the ground. It looks like very green. The people, those who are on the earth, they look small if it see the people. While far below he could see the ground, and the boys like small spots moving round. The people, those who are walking on the land in that area, they are like a small dots and small spots. They rested high in the quiet air. Say, they rested high in the quiet air. These are the kites, and remaining kites are taking rest in the sky, in the quiet air. And only the birds and clouds were there. Only the birds and clouds in the air. Until except these two, nothing is there in the sky. Nothing is there. Kites, small kite and big kites, remaining kites, birds and clouds are in the air. And only the birds and clouds were there. Oh, how happy I am, the little kite cried. The little kite said happily that it is enjoying that moment. How does it possible? If you try, your remaining life will be happy. Children, see, now you are studying 4th class. If you scared of reading books, if you scared of writing notes, if you scared of writing exam, you will not be happy in your future. You will not happy. There is so many problems will come in future. If you study well, if you read well, your life will be happy and like this small kite. No one will stop you. No one will stop you. The persons, those who are stopping you, if you get a good job, they cannot stop you, and they cannot hurdle. They cannot create any problems to you. First of all, you have to try. You should not scare about reading books. You should not scare to write the exam. You should not scare to write the notes. All should try. If you try, you will get success in your life. How happy I am, the little kite cried, and all because I was brave and tried. Everyone should be brave. Everyone should be tried in their life. Then only they can get success in their life. Otherwise, success is not possible. Success is impossible those who are not trying best. In this lesson, How the Little Kite Learned to Fly, written by Catherine Pyle, and in this poem we can extract one good quality from the small kite. This big kite, that means your parents are asking you or telling you to read or write without wasting your time. Parents are your parents are big kite and you are small kite. Your parents always telling you, your parents always motivating you to read the books, and they are telling what is good and what is bad. You have to listen your parents voice and your parent words, and you have to follow what they said. See, now both are equal. Big kite and small kite are enjoying. If you listen your parents words at certain age, certain point of time, you will be happy. At the same time, your parents also your parents will be happy. If you are in good position, your parents also happy. That moral we can get from this poem. See, answer these questions. Answer I will give you, but see here, explain the following lines with reference to context. I fear you never will learn at all. Who said these words and to whom? Who said these words? Big kite said to small kite. What needs to be learned and by whom? I fear you never will learn at all. What needs to be learned and by whom? You have to learn how to fly in the air. You should not afraid. It said to small kite. Discuss how fear and learning can oppose each other. If you learn flying in the air, you will get success in your life. Discuss how fear and learning can oppose each other. If you learn, your fear will be gone. Your fear will be gone. If you won't learn, your fear will be with you. You cannot learn anything if you get fear. See, well, goodbye, I am off. Who said these words and to whom? The big kite said to small kite. Where is the speaker off to? The speaker is going high. Why is the listener immediately affected after this? How is it important in the poem? See, why is the listener immediately affected after this? See, when the big kite going out, the little kite get scared and it is tried by itself. Nobody helped him. Only big kite gave a suggestion: if you try, you will go high. And after going big kite high, the little kite started flying, and it is also tried inch by inch. It reached the high where the big kite is flying. In that place, the small kite also going. Next, when two or more words in a language are often used together, they are known as a collocations. Example, I will tell you. Some collocations are made of nouns and verbs. For example, make fun. Make fun is one collocation. Make is verb. Fun is make fun. Make is verb and fun. Do a favor. Do is verb. These are collocations. Next, Nouns and verbs made of nouns and verbs. For example, make a fun, do a favor. These are collocations starting with verb. Next, collocations are also made of nouns and adjectives. For example, strong coffee, loud music. Strong coffee, loud music. These are strong is adjective and loud is also adjective. These type of words we can call collocations. Fill in the blanks with correct words given in the box to form the collocations. Tall, great, take, tell, allow. First one, a dash building, a tall building. Dash fun, great fun. Dash bath, take a bath. Dash story, tell a story. Dash loud dash, laugh dash, laugh loudly. These are collocations. Collocations tell a story, loud laugh. See, this box total 8 adjective nouns and verb nouns. Adjective nouns you have to write 4, verb nouns you have to try. Otherwise, I will give you this exercise. First you try at home. If not, I will give these answers. See, listening, page number 16. Listening, once you listen, while I am listening this listening task, you have to complete this. Who has called to whom? First you have to listen. Listen all of you carefully. How the little kite learned to fly. Hurry. 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 See. Hello. Who is speaking? Sujini. Good evening. I am Sujini. How are you? Hurry. Hurry. How nice to hear from you. I am fine. When did you come back from Mumbai? Sujini. Yesterday. I shall come to school tomorrow. How was the school picnic? Hurry. Very enjoyable, but I miss you. Sujini. Yes, I was upset at missing it too. Anyway, see you tomorrow. Please bring my story book. Hurry. Yes, I will definitely do that. Goodbye. Sujini, goodbye. This is listening. By listening, you have to do that work. What is that work? Page number. See the page number. Page number. Who was called to whom? You have to complete. I read no. Who called to whom? Which city has Sujini been to? Which city Sujini went to? Why is Sujini upset? What does Sujini tell Hurry to bring to school? These you have to complete by yourself. Due to an illness, your friend was absent from school for a week. He gives you a call to ask about the lessons he has missed out on. Working pains and enact the telephonic conversation. You may use the words given in the help box. Good evening. How are you feeling now? Do you mind telling me? Could you tell me what was taught? Next, will you lend me your notebooks, please? Sure, don't worry. See you tomorrow. Goodbye. This telephone conversation you have to do with your sister or brother. Next, writing. An essay consists of definite parts. Three definite parts. See, this writing will discuss tomorrow. Children, what I have given work you complete at home, and we will meet you tomorrow again in offline video. Until then, bye. Have a good day. See you all.